accordingly.
The state government has defended its move to sack 3 Lokayukta officers while denying any interference with the functioning of the anti-graft panel. The political advisor of the government, H.M. Shangpliang, clarified that as per sections 10, subsection 2 and 11 of the Meghalaya Lokayukta Act of 2014, officers or staff must originate from the department and retired government personnel cannot be part of the department. Cabinet Minister and NPP leader Amperin Lingdo told reporters that the government is not mandated to interfere with the Lokayukta's functioning and the Chief Minister has never meddled in its matters.
As per the section 10 and 11 of the Lokayukta Act, the officers, a panel of names were sent to the Lokayukta. And accordingly, the Lokayukta had made a selection and issued appointment letters accordingly. The office of the Lokayukta is fully functional now with regular officials drawn from the services of the government.
The government has recommended to the Lokayukta, who is the authorized individual to appoint its own members. A panel of names was sent to the office of the Meghalaya Lokayukta, and accordingly corrections were made. Officers have been selected, and I feel government need not go further into the explanations of actions taken.
Minister of